All right, so now that I've made some of these selections, like my hair here, for instance, in this layer, like I don't want this yellow blob of hair there. I want some of those details from the threshold layer to be able to show through. And that's where I go into these blending modes. So each one of these sort of does a different thing here, but we're going to use multiply. And what it does is it multiplies your selection, which you just covered over there, with a layer underneath. So you can see the difference between normal and doing the multiply. It just sort of, multiplies those two things together. It works really well for this. I don't know that it's going to make much of a difference over here on the banana layer. We can try it. Yeah, there really wasn't anything underneath it there, but it will, will definitely make a difference up here. So if I go up here and select this area, and probably quick selection tool will fill that quickly. Oops, a little bit too much. I'm going to go in here, and it was probably just the wrong tool to use, but I'm just going to go around and deselect that. Okay. All right, so if I were to, and I didn't get this little bit down here. There we go. Okay. I'm going to be picky here. All right, so if I'm going to change the little nub of the banana there, let's say, oh, and I want to be in my threshold layer. Go in here, solid color. No, not a, I don't want a gradient. I want solid color. I just want it to be like, like a brown or something. There we go. Okay. Again, obviously, like, ew, it looks like a big blob of brown on the end there. So that I definitely want to multiply. And I can always go back in and change the color. I'm kind of thinking that's like a better color there. Okay. Let's see what this looks like multiplied. Yeah, not so much. And then you go in here and make some changes on your threshold. See what that looks like. Ah, that's looking better. If you decide that you like something a little bit better. It's hard to tell. Kind of like a little bit of that shadow there. All right, and let's go back to my face. I'm thinking the face is just fine the way it is. Okay, so that's how you do blending modes.